Deep inside this forest, we just discovered a forgotten legend. Hidden under these trees lies a 1969 Dodge Charger. Decades of dust and leaves now cover this once powerful machine. This aggressive Charger grille once ruled the streets. The broken headlights show how long this car's been abandoned. Flat tires buried in mud. This car hasn't moved in years. The windshield is completely sealed with dirt and fallen leaves. Rust flakes are literally falling from the metal body. Even the door handle is frozen in rust. But today, the restoration team finally arrives. The inspection begins, and the damage is serious. One wipe reveals the legendary Charger badge. Suddenly, the original owner arrives to tell the story.
Now it's just rusting away.
I
For
remember the
him,
first day I drove
this car holds years
you
of
were
memories.
so full of life then.
The big question is, can this car be saved?
The cost? We can work with you.
A handshake seals the deal for the restoration. The rescue operation officially begins. For the first time in decades, the Charger moves. Chains secure the car for the journey. And just like that, the Charger leaves the forest behind. The long journey begins as the Charger heads toward the restoration garage. After decades in the forest, the legendary Charger finally reaches civilization. The garage doors open, revealing the car's shocking condition. Under bright lights, the true damage finally becomes visible. Years of rust and dirt cover almost every inch of this car. The front grille shows deep corrosion, but the iconic design survives. These old tires are completely destroyed and impossible to drive on. The suspension underneath looks badly rusted and extremely fragile. Now it's time to see what's hiding under the hood. The engine bay is covered in dust,
oil stains everywhere, and this hose is corroded.
And heavy
this whole bay
corrosion.
needs a deep clean.
Old wiring is brittle and damaged after years of neglect. The interior looks even worse than the outside. The steering wheel is cracked and worn from age. Dashboard switches are dusty, corroded, and barely recognizable. The seats are torn and completely ruined. Restoration tools are prepared as the real work begins. A powerful pressure washer starts removing decades of dirt. Layers of mud wash away, slowly revealing the metal underneath. The wheels finally begin to look cleaner after the first wash. For the first time, the Charger starts to look alive again. The real restoration begins as rust removal tools start grinding. Years of corrosion are slowly sanded away from the body panels. Rust dust fills the air as the old metal is cleaned. Damaged metal panels are cut and replaced with fresh steel. Bright welding sparks bring new life to the classic body. Body filler smooths dents and imperfections across the Charger's surface. A protective primer coat prepares the car for its new paint. The Charger enters the paint booth for its biggest transformation. Fresh paint finally brings color and shine back to the body. The glossy surface reflects light like a brand new muscle car.
All right, she's
Next,
clear.
the
Lifting
old
now.
engine is carefully
Looks good. Hold
removed
it there.
from the car. Engine parts are disassembled for a full mechanical rebuild. Each component is cleaned to remove oil, rust, and dirt. New pistons and parts are installed to rebuild the engine. New pistons and parts are installed to rebuild the engine.
All right, lower
The
and
rebuilt
slow and
engine
steady.
is carefully
Looks good.
lowered
Keep it coming
back into
down.
the Charger.
Perfect, it's seated.
Inside the cabin, brand new leather seats are installed. The dashboard and gauges are restored to their original shine. A restored steering wheel completes the interior rebuild.
Okay, trim seated.
Final parts are
Tightening now.
installed
Looks
as the
good.
Charger
Headlights
nears
aligned, pushing it in.
completion.
Perfect, that's the last one.
The final bolts are tightened as the legendary Charger nears completion. Fresh chrome parts are installed, bringing shine back to the classic. Brand new headlights replace the cracked ones from the Forest. The iconic grille returns to its original powerful look.
Fuel
New
line is
performance
secure.
tires
Good.
are
Check the
mounted
grounds.
onto freshly
Battery cables are
restored
tight.
wheels.
Ready on this side. All right, crank it.
The interior lights turn on for the first time in decades. The ignition key is ready for the most important moment. The rebuilt engine prepares to wake up after years of silence. The key turns, and the engine finally roars back to life. The
Wow,
deep
she
muscle
looks
car
incredible.
rumble fills the
They
entire
really brought you
garage.
back. Just perfect.
Exhaust smoke clears as the engine stabilizes beautifully.
So the restoration includes
The
bodywork,
restored
paint, and
Charger
engine rebuild.
rolls
Understood.
forward for
And the
the
total
first
cost?
time.
The estimate is right here.
Okay, let's see it.
Deal.
Sunlight
Payment on
reflects
pickup.
off the
Sounds
flawless
good. I'll be
paint
here.
outside the
Great.
garage.
She's all yours. Thanks, man.
The owner returns to see his forgotten car reborn. His reaction says everything about this incredible transformation. The legendary Charger is ready for its first road test. The engine roars as the car accelerates down the open road. A forgotten Forest relic has become a powerful muscle car again. This restoration proves that legends never truly disappear. From rusted ruins to glory, the Charger lives again.